Hello everyone, this is Daria from Kaya Academy, and today I will show you how to switch between accounts on your Twitter using your mobile app. So today we can now use different accounts on a social media. Thanks to the Twitter, you could manage multiple Twitter accounts on one app from your smart device. By the way, you can do the same thing from your browser too. So you have long been able to manage multiple accounts using your Twitter app on iPhone, iPad, and Android. But until recently, you had to log out and back into switch problems using the social network's web interface. Thankfully, that's no longer a problem. You can do the same thing on your website too when you're using your laptop or desktop too. So before we begin, we should also note that Twitter is slowly rolling out able to switch between accounts from the web, and maybe it's still not able. You're still not able to do it. That you use this feature on your desktop or your laptop. Don't worry, it'll be there very soon, but most probably you already can do it. So today I'm going to show you how you can do it from your phone. So as you can see, I'm using my phone right now, but I'm using you can see the phone interface, mobile interface right now in the screen. And the main reason why I'm not using vertically but horizontally, so you can see things maybe easier because it's gonna be bigger on the screen. So let's get to it. Now that I have signed in my account, as you can see, this is my account. What we're gonna do, I can, like here, as you can see, I already have an account, but I have already added the account. But if you don't have it yet, what you're gonna do is you're gonna click here, and you're gonna, maybe you want to create a new account, or you can use this add an existing account, and it's gonna show these things, and you're gonna log into that Twitter. So it'll be so simple. So I have I've done this one before shooting this video. So what I'm going to do is, as you can see, this is my profile right now. The only thing that I have to do is just clicking here, and now I'm on my friend's Twitter. When I want to change it again, what I'm going to do, click this profile icon and go back to mine. Very easy, very simple. So when it comes to, for example, I'm using this right now, right? But maybe my friend doesn't want me to be on his Twitter anymore, so he can ask me to log out, or he just might want me to log out. So what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to click on this in here, and from here, sorry. From here, I'm going to go settings and privacy, and I'll just account, and I will tap on logout like this, and it's gonna ask me, are you sure? I'm gonna say yes, I'm sure. My friend doesn't want me to be on his Twitter anymore, so I'm gonna click OK. And as you can see, I got back to my main page, and it's not showing here. When I want to add it again, I have to go and I have to tap on this add an existing account. But the process is very simple, just like you saw. So it was very easy, this process, and I'm pretty sure that now you're able to do it without facing any problems. So if you find this video helpful, and if you like this video, do not forget to like this video. And if you have any questions about this video or maybe something else, don't forget to mention those things on the comments, so I can come there, see and read your questions and answer them. Or if you have suggestions about this video or any other video that I have, you can also let me know about them on the comments, so I can be like, oh yeah, this is a good idea, I have to use this idea. So comment. So, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, don't forget to subscribe, because I know that you might need help with some other things, and you will be able to find them on my page. So thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video.